Hello guys, this is from Top Tier Reviews. Today I'm giving a quick review for the SYMA S100 mini helicopter with remote control. This is a great gift idea for kids that loves to play a helicopter with remote controls. It is so cute. You can see here it's so tiny, but it really works really well. The remote control really works great. It's very easy to operate. It has a high quality material that they use with this toy. It's very sturdy. You see how cute this one is? It's the size of my palm. And they come with instructions for use. And it's complete and it's very easy to understand. It says here how to start the helicopter, the flight control. And this is a great gift idea this holiday. And any season, this is a great gift for birthdays and for your loved ones. This is also good for collectibles.